Hello everyone, our product is OMANA. I think we are agree that in these days it's inevitable that all of us can face an emergency situation, and OMANA is a solution for an emergency alert system. The technologies that we have used are Appetize the API by Web Innovation, WebRTC SDK, and Android Studio uh, phone, for our mobile application, and Firebase for the database, Node.js for the server side of our web application. And it's basically when the user is facing an emergency situation, they can use the application to send an emergency alert to the predetermined contact or and with the at the same time with the location. But when the user doesn't have time to pull up the application, it can put three times the lock screen pattern run, and the application will automatically send the location and with a front-facing picture to the contact, and even the user can use it by can record the audio and play loud alert noise.
So what makes our application different from ones that already exist? Basically, we looked at ones that already exist, and we found that they were a little bit clunky and hard to use. And in a case of emergency, you really need something that you can access really quickly and intuitively. So we really try to make that a priority for our application. And then as well, it has multiple features that are combined into one product. So we have our SMS messaging, we have audio recording, we also have the ability to trigger the SMS message through lock screen password. We have our front-facing camera picture that gets sent, as well as the loud audio that can play in case you want to ward off anybody. So this is some mock screenshots. Our app pretty much looks like this, but these are mock screenshots of our app. So as you can see on our main page, it's really simple. There are only 4 buttons. The big emergency button will trigger the SMS message, and you can send it to multiple contacts. You set it up beforehand. The first button above is a record button that will record your audio and store it locally. And then the emergency contacts will take you to this middle screenshot where you can add anybody from your contacts. And then in your settings, you can change things like that. So we really prioritize it being really clean and simple. And then we additionally were developing a first responder monitoring system via a web app. So this would have allowed the user to contact the first responder, call them through the API, or call them, video call them, or send an SMS message. But we didn't really have enough time to make a finished product, so this is what a mock screenshot would have looked like. And now it's time for a demo.
Yeah, hello. So this is a wrap. It looks kind of similar to the mock stuff. The first step you do is go into the contacts and you add the list of people who you want to be as emergency contacts. So you go ahead and add this list. If you're in an emergency situation, you can just click on the emergency, and the location and the text will send to the emergency contacts. So now everyone got the messages from the API. So we are using the WIPE technology and the miscellaneous media uploading technology to do that. But this is already implemented, right? So in the emergency situation, nobody has time to go into the app. So what our app do better than others is you can trigger the same functionality using the lock screen passwords. So there is something like hooking and password failed to trigger. So I'll just demonstrate that. So suppose I'm in an emergency situation, I'll just go and put invalid passwords 3 times. So, and this will send the location, the text, and the image, which front-facing camera captured to your emergency contacts. So they will not just know your location, the text, but also the image, like in what situation you are. Also the surrounding people, they can hear the hooting sound. If you are in like dangerous situation, you can also turn that off if you don't want the sound effect. So I'll just show you the image you just got from the app. Okay, so this is your picture. Because yeah, I put
it could be helpful.
Yeah,
oh yeah.
Okay, time's up.
Thank you.
So if you have any questions,
Thanks. Well done. Let's get group number 4 up while we're seeing if anybody's got any questions here.
It's pretty cool, wasn't it?
That's pretty cool.
I like the sound.
thank you.
So somebody gets a text saying it's an emergency. How do they know what to do or what kind of an emergency or what should happen?
I mean, you can just have your own text and you can type something like I want this help. So the app provides that. You can have your own message. You can type something like, oh, can you please call 911? I'm in this kind of situation. So the app allows that. Also, we have the web app from where our team can monitor what's happening. They can see the pictures and the media files, and they can also take actions if it's a really emergency situation. So.
But by default, it sends the time, date, and then the approximate location.
Yeah, the location is the key point.
Yes.
The other person can find out in which location we have trouble.
The trouble.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Good job.
They're very good.